Hi there. Welcome to Part 8 of Real English for A2 learners. I'm Nina, and today we'll practice real conversations for city life, public services, and everyday community interactions. You'll hear natural dialogues for using the library, visiting City Hall, talking to police, attending local events, asking for help, and connecting with your neighborhood. All spoken slowly and clearly with a natural American accent. These phrases will help you feel confident whether you're new in town, running errands, or just trying to be part of your local community. Listen, repeat, and learn with me one real situation at a time. Let's begin. At the library. Do I need a library card to use the computers, or can I just sign in as a guest? You'll need a card, but you can get one today for free. Just bring your ID and proof of address. Is there a quiet area where I can study without distractions? Yes, the second floor is our silent zone. No talking or phone use allowed. Can I borrow this book for 3 weeks, or is the loan period shorter? Most books are 3 weeks, but bestsellers are 2 weeks. I'll check the due date for you. Do you have books in other languages, like German or Swedish? Yes, we have a whole section for world languages. It's near the back, next to the magazines. Is Wi-Fi free here? And do I need a password to connect? Yes, it's free for everyone. The network name and password are posted on every table. Can I print something from my email? I don't have a USB drive. Sure. Just log into your email on our computer, and I'll show you how to print. Do you offer free English conversation groups for learners? Yes. We meet every Tuesday at 6 p.m. in Room B. All levels are welcome. How do I renew my books online, so I don't have to come back? Go to our website. Log in with your card number and click Renew next to each title. Is there a children's story time this week? My niece loves it. Yes, every Wednesday at 10 a.m. It's in the Kids' Corner with Ms. Linda. Can I donate old books to the library, or do you only accept new ones? We accept gently used books. Just drop them in the donation bin by the front desk. City Hall and Government Services. I need to apply for a new ID card. What documents should I bring? Bring your passport, proof of address, and a completed application form from our website. Do you offer services in other languages, or is everything only in English? We have interpreters for Spanish, Mandarin, and Arabic. Just request one when you arrive. How do I register to vote in local elections? You can register online or here in person. You'll need your ID and proof of residency. Can I pay my water bill here, or do I need to go to a different office? You can pay it right here. Cash, card, or check are all accepted. Is there a fee for getting a copy of my birth certificate? Yes, it's $15 per copy, and you'll need to show a valid photo ID. Do you help with housing applications or rental assistance? Yes, our social services desk can guide you through local programs. They're open Monday to Friday. How do I report a broken streetlight in my neighborhood? You can fill out a form online or call 311. We'll send a crew within 48 hours. Can I get a marriage license here, and what do I need? Yes, both partners must come in person with IDs and proof of age. No appointment needed. Is there a community center nearby that offers classes or events? Yes, the Oakwood Center is 2 blocks east. They have yoga, cooking, and language exchange. Do you have forms for small business permits? I want to open a cafe. Yes, they're on our website, or I can print them for you. The fee is $75 for food service. Talking to police and emergency services. I lost my wallet. Should I file a report with the police? Yes, especially if it had your ID or credit cards. We can also check if it's been turned in. Is this a safe neighborhood to walk in at night? Generally, yes. But stay on well-lit streets and avoid the park after dark. My bike was stolen from the rack outside. What information do you need? The brand, color, and serial number if you have it, and where and when it happened. Can I call 911 for a non-emergency, like a noisy neighbor? No, 911 is only for life-threatening emergencies. For noise, call 311 or the non-emergency line. I saw someone acting suspiciously near the bank. Should I report it? Yes, please. Even small details can help. Describe what they were wearing and which way they went. Do you offer safety workshops for new residents? Yes, we have neighborhood watch meetings every month. Check our community board. My phone was stolen on the bus. Can you help me track it? If it's on, we can try to locate it. But first, report it to your carrier to lock it. Is there a curfew for teenagers in this city? Yes, under 16 must be home by 10 p.m. on weekdays, but it's not strictly enforced. Can I get a copy of a police report I filed last week? Yes, come to the records desk with your ID and the case number. There's a $5 fee. I'm not sure if this is an emergency. My neighbor hasn't been seen in 3 days. If you're worried, it's better to call. We can do a wellness check to make sure they're okay. Public transport and city navigation. Does this bus go to the downtown library, or do I need to transfer? Yes, stay on until the 7th stop. It's called Central Plaza, and the library is across the street. Can I use my phone to pay for the subway, or do I need a physical card? You can use Apple Pay, Google Pay, or our city app. Just tap your phone at the gate. Is there a map of all the bus routes I can take with me? Yes, they're free at every station. Or download the City Transit app for live updates. How late does the last train run on weekends? It runs until 2 a.m. on Friday and Saturday nights, then switches to night buses. Do you offer discounted fares for students or seniors? Yes, with a valid ID. You can apply online or at any transit center. I missed my stop. Can I get off at the next one and walk back? Absolutely. All stops are close together in the city center. Is this the right platform for the airport shuttle? Yes, it leaves every 20 minutes from this side. The next one is in 5 minutes. Can I bring my bike on the bus, or is there a separate rack outside? There's a rack on the front of the bus. It holds 2 bikes and is free to use. Do buses run on holidays like Christmas or New Year's? On major holidays, we run a Sunday schedule. Check the website for updates. I'm new in town. What's the easiest way to get around without a car? The subway covers most areas, and buses fill in the gaps. Get a weekly pass for unlimited rides. Local events and community activities. Is there a farmer's market this weekend? I'd love to buy fresh produce. Yes, every Saturday from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. in Central Park, rain or shine. Do I need tickets for the outdoor concert, or is it free to attend? It's free. Just bring a blanket or chair. It starts at 6 p.m. near the fountain. Are dogs allowed at the street festival? Or is it people only? Well-behaved dogs on leashes are welcome, but not in the food court area. Can I volunteer at the community garden? I'd like to help and meet neighbors. Yes. Sign up at the info booth. We meet every Sunday morning at 9 a.m. Is there a language exchange meetup this week? Yes, coffee and conversation. Is Thursday at 5 p.m. at the Library Cafe. All languages welcome. Do you have events for children during school holidays? Yes, the rec center runs free workshops. Check the bulletin board for the schedule. Is the art gallery free on Sundays, like last month? Yes, every first Sunday is free admission. The rest of the month it's $10. Can I perform at the open mic night, or do I need to sign up in advance? Sign-ups start at 6 p.m. It's first come, first served, and each act gets 5 minutes. Is there a neighborhood cleanup day coming up? Yes, next Saturday at 10 a.m. gloves and bags are provided. Just bring yourself. Do you offer free yoga in the park this summer? Yes, every Tuesday and Thursday at 7 a.m. Bring your own mat and water. Asking for help and directions. Excuse me, do you know where the nearest pharmacy is? Yes, it's 2 blocks straight ahead on the left, next to the bank. I think I'm lost. Can you help me find Main Street? Of course. You're on Oak Avenue. Just turn right at the next light, and you'll see it. Is there a public restroom around here? Yes, in the subway station. Go down the stairs and turn left after the turnstiles. Can you tell me how to get to the train station from here? Walk straight for 5 minutes until you see the big clock tower. The station is behind it. Do you know if this bus goes to the hospital? Yes, take the blue line. Get off at Medical Center, which is the 4th stop. I'm looking for the post office. Is it still on Elm Street? It moved last month. It's now in the shopping plaza near the grocery store. Can you recommend a good place to eat nearby? Green Bull is great for healthy food. It's just around the corner on 5th Street. Is there a place I can charge my phone? My battery is almost dead. The cafe across the street has outlets. Just buy a coffee and ask nicely. Do you know what time the museum closes today? It closes at 5 p.m., but the last entry is at 4:30. You still have time. I dropped my keys. Have you seen a silver keychain with a red tag? I haven't, but try the lost and found at the information desk. They collect items every hour. Voting, civic duties, and community involvement. Do I need to register in advance to vote in the local election? Yes, the deadline was last week, but you can still register for the next one online. Can I vote early, or do I have to go on election day? Early voting starts next Monday at City Hall. You can come any day that week. Is my polling place still at the elementary school? Yes, unless you moved. Check your voter card or the election website to confirm. Do I need to show ID to vote, or is my name enough? You'll need a photo ID. Driver's license, passport, or state ID are all accepted. Can I bring my child with me when I vote? Yes, kids are welcome. Just keep them with you in the booth. How do I find out what's on the ballot before I vote? The city sends a voter guide by mail, or you can read it online at vote.cityname.gov. Can I volunteer as a poll worker on election day? Yes. You'll get paid $150 in training. Sign up on the election office website. Is there a way to give feedback about city services, like parks or roads? Yes, fill out the community voice form on our website. The mayor reads every one. Do you have town hall meetings where residents can speak? Yes, the first Tuesday of every month at 6 p.m. Sign up to speak when you arrive. How can I join a neighborhood association? Just show up to the next meeting. It's this Thursday at 7 p.m. in the community room. Connecting with neighbors and building community. Hi, I just moved in next door. I brought cookies to say hello. That's so kind. Welcome to the neighborhood. I'm Sarah, and this is my dog Max. Do you know if there's a neighborhood group chat or email list? Yes, we have a WhatsApp group. I'll add you if you give me your number. Is it okay if I borrow a cup of sugar? I'm baking and ran out. Of course. Come on in. I've got brown sugar too if you need it. Do you have extra garden tomatoes? I saw your plants look amazing. Yes. Help yourself to the red ones. Just leave the green ones to ripen. Would you like to join us for a barbecue this weekend? We'd love to. What time? And should we bring anything? I'm organizing a block cleanup. Would you be interested in helping? Absolutely. What day? And do I need to bring gloves? Do you know a good babysitter in the area? Yes, my niece babysits. She's CPR certified and great with kids. Is there a lost pet group for our neighborhood? Yes, it's on Facebook. Maple Street Pet Watch. People post sightings there. Can I leave a package at your door if I'm not home to receive mine? Sure. Just text me when it's there. I'll keep an eye on it. Would you mind checking my mail while I'm on vacation next week? Not at all. Just leave your key with the super, and I'll bring it in every day. Amazing job. You just practiced 80 real English phrases for city life, public services, and community living. Whether you're using the library in Berlin, reporting a streetlight in Toronto, attending a farmer's market in Sydney, or joining a neighborhood group in Stockholm. These conversations will help you connect, participate, and feel at home in any English-speaking city.